Hi people, quick update on the rectifier assembly. Added some structure to this end, holds the plug socket for the ballast in firmly before it could just wiggle around and stress the connections in there. Eventually something or other was going to break off. And then on this side, the bolt here goes through part of where I stripped the sheath off this cord, so it keeps this cord from getting yanked out and again keeps something from breaking inside if it gets tugged on. Added labels so I can tell whether it's in rectifier or voltage doubler mode. And then finally added this switch here, which is in parallel with the ballast plug socket. So right now it's in unballasted mode. The plug socket and anything connected to it is bypassed, and the meter shows 0.2 ohms, which is just the parasitic resistance in these leads. If I were to switch it to unballasted, it shows infinite resistance in all ranges this meter measures. But if I go and plug my soldering iron in, which is just a big resistor, there it shows a little under 500 ohms. So that's all for tonight. It's a bit too wet out, so I guess the second half of this video will be heavy load testing, short circuit conditions with ballast, and that is tomorrow sometime when it's a bit drier. That is with 5 60-watt light bulbs and one 40-watt light bulb. Now adding 400-watt heater. $800-watt heater. Ooh, appears the voltage has sagged a bit. Time to correct that a little. There we are. A few minutes in. Current sitting at about 8¼ amps DC. Voltage across the ballast is 120.2 volts AC. Variac is at about 39 degrees C. However, the driveway it's sitting on is at 42 degrees C, so it's not even warmed all the way up to the driveway temp yet. Rectifier is... heatsink is at 55 degrees C. Rectifier chip can't really get a good fix, but appears to be at 63 degrees C. Test has been running for a bit over half an hour now. It appears temps is stabilized. Variac at about 45, fuse holder at 65.7, rectifier heatsink at 56.4, rectifier chip, or the best I can measure it, at 62.7, and nothing else on this rig seems to be getting warm at all. All the wires are still barely above ambient. So, I think it is time to shut down and give this thing a break. Thanks for watching.